They were one of the most feared fighting forces in African history. An elite army of women, trained for war, feared across West Africa, and they tried again and again to conquer one Nigerian city. That city was Abeokuta.
In the 19th century, West Africa was shaped by war, trade, and power. Kingdoms expanded or collapsed, cities rose or disappeared, and survival depended on strength and strategy.
To the west of Abeokuta stood the Kingdom of Dahomey, located in present-day Benin. Dahomey was a highly militarized state, built on conquest, discipline, and expansion. Its kings ruled through war.
Dahomey's most famous warriors were its all-female military units. Europeans later called them the Dahomey Amazons. They were trained from childhood, armed with muskets and blades, and bound by absolute loyalty to their king. They were not symbolic warriors, they were frontline soldiers.
Abeokuta stood directly in Dahomey's path. The city sheltered refugees and escaped captives. It disrupted slave raids, and it blocked Dahomey's access to eastern trade routes. To Dahomey, Abeokuta was not just a rival city. It was a threat to power and profit.
In 1851, Dahomey launched a major assault on Abeokuta. The Amazons marched with confidence. They had defeated many enemies before. They expected Abeokuta to fall. It did not. Abeokuta fought with terrain and preparation. Olumo Rock provided high ground. Narrow paths slowed advancing forces. Dense forests broke enemy formations. The defenders used firearms, fortifications, and local knowledge. The city held.
Dahomey returned, again in 1864 and again in 1867. Each time, the Amazons fought fiercely. Each time, Abeokuta resisted. Each time, Dahomey was forced to retreat.
The Dahomey Amazons were fearless, but courage alone was not enough. They faced a fortified city, modern firearms, and defenders fighting for their homes. Abeokuta did not collapse.
The repeated failures were costly. Men and women were lost. Resources were drained. Dahomey's eastern expansion stalled. Abeokuta had done what few cities could. It stopped one of Africa's most powerful armies. Abeokuta survived where many cities fell. Not because it was the strongest, but because it was prepared. Its resistance reshaped the balance of power in southwestern Yoruba land.
The Dahomey Amazons are remembered for their strength and discipline. Abeokuta is remembered for its endurance and strategy. So what matters more in history? Raw power or the ability to resist and survive? Share your thoughts.